Bienvenidos a Tiffany Rothe Workouts. Hoy vamos a hacer ejercicios en inglés y español. Vamos a hacer algo más largo, 30 minutos. Welcome to Tiffany Rothe Workouts. We're going to do this one in English and Spanish. And it's going to be a little bit longer for you guys. Good, stretch those arms out. Now, turn and push. That's it. Mano flexionado, flex your hand and push it away. Four, three, two, and one. Hold it out. Lean side to side. That's it. Lado, lado. Pecho arriba. Measure abdomen. Chest up. Tummy tight. Side to side. Let's go. Huh? Brazos atrás. Arms back. Good. 4, 3, 2, and hold right here. Inhale and exhale. Good. Round the back like a cat. Roll it up. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, hold it up. Push your palms down. The side. Good, other side. Center. And inhale, roll it up, scoop it up. Exhale, release, grab your hands back, stretch it out, look up, fall forward. Good. Release the head. Baja los brazos and stretch up, bend and straighten, that's it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knees, roll it up. Good. Take one heel out and touch it. Reach out, look up. Good, tummy tight, look up. Stretch your arms. And down, center. Roll it up. Flex, hold that toe out. Reach. And arm up, hold. Good. Stretch up, look at your hand, mira tus manos. Good, and center. Hands in the thighs. Here we go, jump it. Up, let's warm up the body. That's it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and in and out, let's go. In and out. Good, chest up, sit low. Hold, tummy tight, chest up. Now squat, squat, squat. Good. Good, getting the blood flowing. Hold, hold. Sit down, sit down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, queda aquí. Hold, that's it. That's it. Here we go. Touch the floor, touch the ceiling. Touch the floor, touch the ceiling. Good. Breathe out. That's it. Stretch your arms. Así los brazos. Mete abdomen. Good. Up, down, up, down, up. Good. Lift it. Lift it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay down, hold it, jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, now a little faster, in and out, that's it, hold, stay on your toes, chest up, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, touch your toes, go, down, up, that's it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it right here. Jump out. Jump in. Turn your toes out. Jump out. Jump in. Push your palms up. And in. 2 more. Squat down low. A little faster. Let's go. Ho. Yeah. Working those inner thighs. Push it. Woo. How we doing, girls? Woo. That's it. That's it. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Jump it low. Let's go. Woo. Let's stay right here. Toes up. Come on. Now in and out. Good. Inhale up. Exhale. Remember how powerful you are. That you're strong in your mind, you're strong in your body, and your spirits are elevated. You are a rock star. See you next time.